Hey guys, in this video, I'm not going to teach you any code, but I found one website which is very cool. So today I want to show something very different. So as you can see, I found one website and I thought to share with you. So you can see here, the title is the page with no code. So you can see the URL, some guys having this page, and in this article, what exactly this guy is writing, there is one page created, and when you say page, it's the page is HTML. Okay, so when you see something on your browser, basically it's HTML, right? So there is one page, and page has no code, right? So when you source this page, control U, or I can show you, uh, let me show you. There is control U, view page source, right? So you can see this HTML. Okay, so this guy has written one article saying that the page with no code. Okay, so let's see what he's saying. So there is one demo, let me open that, and you can see a white blank page, nothing is there on this page, right? And when you go to your view source page, nothing is there. So this is fine, nothing is there, and there is some URL and no code web page. Okay, but here's the magic. Copy this URL and open it in Edge, Microsoft Edge. Still same result, nothing is there. But when you open that in Mozilla Firefox, boom. Can you imagine that Mozilla Firefox is having some content? It is throwing some HTML, while the same page is blank in Google Chrome, right? So can you guess what's the scene? How it is possible? So let me show what he has written. So what he's saying, this is a demo. You will see a white page in anything but Firefox. So yes, we can see white page in all the browsers except Firefox. In Firefox, you will see a web page looking web page. Yeah, ultimately it is web page. Only if you view source, you will see nothing at all. So let me open Firefox and view page source. Oh, there is nothing, right? So how it is possible? You can see content here, some heading, the paragraphs, borders, but when you go to view page source, no HTML is there. So how it is possible? So let's see what is saying. So this is a classic CSS trick that relies on the fact that Firefox lets you apply CSS to a page by including as a data URL in the link response header. Okay, so let's see what it means. So let me inspect, and when you inspect this, there is a body, yeah, HTML head body, but no elements are in body, so you can see nothing. In style, there are few styles, but when you look here, no matching selector or style. So there are few CSS styles are written, but no matching selector. So selectors are not there, so that's why when you view the source, you can see nothing, right? So here is a console, there is no JavaScript. In source, you can see there is index but nothing there, and this is React developer tool, that is nothing but a Chrome extension. Okay, when you go to application, nothing is there. Local storage, nothing is there. Security, nothing. Okay, so when you go to let me show you here, application, no, nothing. In elements, yeah, this one. So when you go to Mozilla Firefox and let's inspect that, here you can go to inspector, and here you can see HTML, nothing is there, but HTML before pseudo selector, and you can see in the style HTML before there are few css written here, right? So using sudo selector before and after, you can write html. You can throw some html into browser. So html before, you can see content is the page with no code, and this is not magic, right? So you can throw some html using this before and after sudo selector. So similarly with body, you can see before here, this is a content and some animation styles, font style, font size, margin, text alignment. And similarly after is also few content. Okay, this is after sudo selector. And when this body finishes, body has also after selector, and some text is also there. So this is how this page is working. But when you go to the source, you can't see the selectors. Thus you can select, but you can't see the pseudo selectors in views source page. When you click the uh, page source, you can't see these pseudo selectors. So what it is saying, so this allows you to add CSS, but if there is no HTML, what you are applying it to? Well, browsers automatically inject some HTML as long as the response is of content type text HTML to the tune of HTML head, body, and HTML. So now you have got a number of elements to style, like HTML, body, and head. So we have now elements that we can style. The classic pseudo elements before and after doing the rest, right? So if the four you get from body and HTML aren't enough, you can always unhide the head. So this is fine. This is just an explanation, and get two more, right? So this is really fun. When I first read this article, then I had no clue how it is possible. But when I read this with the detailed explanation, then I found how this magic works. So this is not magic, of course. This is CSS pseudo selectors like after and before that you can use to inject your HTML into inject or HTML, yeah, of course, HTML into your web page. So how this is works. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If this is something you are seeing first time, please leave your comments below, and I hope you learn something new. And if you want to see more videos, you can visit my channel. There are more than 200 videos, and most of the videos are on CSS, JavaScript. Few videos are on React as well. And you can also visit playlist. There are videos on WordPress as well. You can see, and hope you learn something you don't know. All right, guys, that's all for this video. See you next time around. Bye.